This is the Queen of Hearts mansion known locally in Marshalltown, Iowa, built around 1890 by Newton Carmaine. It was a home of ambition, wealth, and eventually scandal. The Carmaine Buggy Company collapsed after embezzlement charges in 1902. He later left Iowa for Los Angeles, where his story took an even darker turn, before his death in 1914. The house he left behind, though, remained a striking landmark. For decades, the mansion was a family home. The Hatchers and later Gunnell Jacobson cared for it. She lived here nearly 50 years of her life. The house is an eclectic design, with mixes of Queen Anne, Colonial Revival, and even hints of Art Nouveau, making it unlike anything else in the state of Iowa. A tornado in 2018 and a derecho in 2020 hit the house or nearby it, leaving it battered, now condemned, and at risk of demolition. The house faces erasure. Salvagers are already stripping its interior. Once it's gone, its story becomes just another lost chapter. Yet, even stripped to a shell, this house is worth saving. Its walls hold 120 years of history, our history. The question is, will it survive or become rubble? If you believe in preserving history before it's too late, join us, share, sign, or donate, because once this house is gone, it's gone forever. I'm trying to start a GoFundMe to save the Hart House. If I can raise the funds, the plan would be to move it to a new plot of land that would need to be purchased. A moving company would then relocate the structure, and from there, the real work begins. Putting on a new roof, rebuilding a foundation, and installing utilities. Right now, the roof is leaking, and I believe the ridge beam may be broken. Every day that passes, the house is at greater risk of being lost forever. This isn't a project I can take on alone, but together, if possible, if just 30,000 people donated $10 each, we could make this happen. Moving her would be the hardest part, and I don't know if it's even possible yet. I also don't know if we'll be able to buy back the historic parts that are already being taken out, but I would like to try, and that's all I can do. I've already contacted the city, but I haven't gotten a response back from the salvage company or the current homeowner. What I do know is the time is running out. If you believe in saving history before it disappears, I hope you all join me into trying. I'll leave a list of phone numbers below in the description, so if anybody who watches this could give the city of Marshalltown, Iowa a phone call, that would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching.